Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKee again with SEC 210. Today we're going to be going over Lab 3.3.10, which is create user accounts. And we'll be creating these in Windows. Alright, even though we're going to do a lot of Linux stuff, this is going to take place in our Windows virtual machine. And I'm logged into NetLabs and I have a Windows 10 machine up here. And just to see if we do MS info. Alright. This is what I got, Windows 10 Education, I'm running it through VMware, all that good stuff. Alright, so we're going to create a new local user account, review user account properties, and modify local user accounts. We need to use a Windows PC and create a new local user account. Open the user account tool. Alright, so log on to Windows PC with a administrator account. The account CBROPS user is used in this example. Click Start, Search Control Panel. So if we do Search Control Panel, it comes up first. Alright, select User Accounts up here on the top right. Alright. To change the view, select small icons. Go back, let's see. Use small icons there if we'd like to. User accounts. Alright, that looks just like our screen now. Alright. Create a user account in the user accounts window. Click manage another account right here. Alright, and notice we're logged in as student, local account administrator. Alright, click add new user in PC settings. In the settings window, click add someone else to this PC. Alright, right there where the plus is, it's kind of hard to see. Alright. And click I don't have this person's sign-in information right there. Alright. Let's see. Add this user without a Microsoft account. Alright. To create an account for this PC, provide the necessary information to create a new user account named user1. Alright. Let's see, provide the necessary information to create a new user account named user1. Click next to create a new user account. I didn't even specify a password since it didn't tell me to. What type of user account did you just create? Right there. It's just a standard user type. You can make it as administrator if you need to. Alright, that'll answer that. Attempt to log into the newly created user account. It should be successful. Alright, so if I right click the start button, not left click but right click, sign out. Click on that, get on user 1, sign in. Alright. So this is the first time it's logged in, so it's going to have all this first time startup info coming up. Alright, so we're going to say just say no to all this stuff. Actually, you know what? Yeah, let's do that. Sorry the screen's a little bit small, but since I'm tiling two screens together. Alright, there we go. Alright. So navigate to C drive. Alright, C drive's right there. Users. Right click user 1, go down to properties, and then the security tab. Which groups or users have full control of this folder? And the system, user 1, and administrators. All right. All right, and one of the little changes, everywhere it says CBROPS user, just use student instead. All right, because students is what's set up on this virtual machine. All right, open the folder that belongs to CBROPS user. All right. Alright, so when I click on it, you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click continue to permanently get access to this folder. Alright. Alright, so it let me get access to that folder. Logging on with the student's password, which is the CBROPS user. Alright, we're able to get access to this folder. You can explain that. I didn't have access, had to log in with the administrator password, and he gave me access. Alright, log out of the user 1 account. So right click the start button, sign out. Log back in as student. Passwords, password 1234 with a capital P. Alright, as soon as it boots up, navigate to C, users, actually right click the folder, click properties, security tab. Which groups or users have full control of this folder? Alright, you should be able to look at that and tell. Only system administrators. Alright. Reviewing user account properties. Click start. I'm going to close this down too. Alright, click start. And I'm just going to click search right there. Control panel. Alright, administrative tools, top left. Computer management. Alright, click local users and groups. Click the users folder. Right, and notice it shows the administrator, got a default account, guest account, student account, user 1 account. And this other account in there. Alright. Right click user 1. Alright. Click properties. Member of. Alright. Notice he's a member of a certain group. Alright. And then right click. In our case, student, but it'll be CBROPS user, member of, notice that, member administrators. Alright, modifying local user accounts. Change the account type. Navigate to the control panel, See, I would do all this here, but let's go to the control panel. All right, select user accounts. Click manage another user. Manage another account. User 1. All right, in the change in account window, click the user 1 account. Change the account type. Select administrator. It's on standard right now. Change account type button. Right now the account user 1 is administrator. Notice that. Navigate to control panel. All right, let's go back. All right, control panel. Administrator tool. Let's do the small icons. Administrative tools. Computer management. Local users and groups. Click on users. All right, right click user 1, properties. Now notice he's a member of the users and a member of administrators. All right, select administrators and click remove. This will remove him from the administrative group. All right, click OK to continue. All right, deleting the account. To delete the account, right-click user 1, click delete. All right, so I've deleted user 1. All right. So what is another way to delete a user account? Well, you can delete it from control panel also. Why is it important to protect all accounts with strong passwords? They should be able to answer that. All right. Why would you create a user with standard privileges? You should be able to answer that, I would think. All right. And that is it. All right. Well, thanks for watching.